Alright, so now we're going to solve another combustion problem. So basahin muna natin yung question and then we'll proceed directly to our solution. The chemical equation for ethane combustion is 7O2 plus 2C2H6 producing 6H2O plus 4CO2. The gases behave ideally. Most nearly, what volume of O2 at 298 Kelvin and 1 atmosphere is required for complete combustion of 10 liters of C2H6 gas at 500 Kelvin and 1 atmosphere? So our choices are A, 16 liters, B, 19 liters, C, 21 liters, and D, 22 liters. So sinulat ko ulit dito yung ating reaction na nandito sa taas para magamit natin for our solution. Okay? So, according dito sa ating problem, meron tayong complete combustion. So, we're going to use all of these C2H6 na nandito sa ating reaction. So, completely mako-consume siya. So, the question is, or what is the volume of O2 needed? Okay? So, sulat muna natin yung mga given natin. So, unang-una, iti-take note natin na we have an ideal gas dito sa ating reaction, okay? And according sa ating given, yung O2 natin is at 298 Kelvin and 1 atmosphere. So, let me just write that here para mas madali natin siyang malocate. So, this is 298 Kelvin and 1 atmosphere. Now, ito namang ating C2H6, according din dito sa ating given. This is with a volume of 10 liters, and then temperature is 500 Kelvin, and our pressure is 1 atmosphere. Alright, so of course, alam naman natin, no? In order to use itong ating reaction, kailangan makuha muna natin yung number of moles ng ating ethane. Alright, so since ideal gas naman itong ating given, so we can use our ideal gas equation, which is PV is equal to nRT. So ang hinahanap natin is yung number of moles ng ating C2H6. So we have N is equal to PV over RT. Okay, so substitute lang natin yung mga given natin na values. Lagay na natin dito yung C2H6 para hindi tayo malito, no? So C2H6, okay? So number of moles ng C2H6 yung hinahanap natin. So first yung ating pressure, which is 1 atmosphere. Then multiplied to the volume, which is 10 liters. Okay, so mapapansin natin dito na yung mga units na given natin is liter, Kelvin, and atmosphere. So therefore, yung universal gas constant na gagamitin natin is yung 0.08206 liter atmosphere per mole Kelvin. Okay, and then our temperature is in 500 Kelvin. Right, so some units will be cancelled here. So we have atmosphere will be cancelled, liter will be cancelled, and Kelvin will be cancelled. So ang may iwan sa atin dito will be the number of moles ng ating C2H6. Okay, so let us use our calculator para makuha natin yung value. So in the numerator we have 10, then divide it by 0.08206, okay, then divide it by 500. Right, so our answer here is 0.243. Okay, okay, so let us just use 0.24 para mas madali na. Okay, 0.24 moles of C2H6. Okay, so now we can use this dito sa ating reaction. Okay, so we know that we have here 0.24 mole of C2H6. Alright, so kailangan nating makuha kung ilang number of moles ng O2 yung kailangan para makonsume natin lahat ng to. Alright, so kunin natin yung kanilang stoichiometric relationship. So we have the number of moles ng ating O2 will be equal to the number of mole ng ating C2H6, which is 0.24. Oops, sorry. 0.24. And then, yung ating stoichiometric relationship dito. So we have 2 in our C2H6 and we have 7 sa ating O2. So we have 7 for our O2 and then 2 for our C2H6. Okay? So again, let's use our calculator. Okay, so 0.24 times 7. Okay, then divided by 2, we have 0.853. Okay, so let's use 0.853 moles of O2. Alright, so now alam na natin yung number of moles ng ating O2. Ang kailangan nating makuha is yung volume ng ating O2, right? So yan yung ating required. Alright, so since ideal gas naman yung ating given, so we can still use our ideal gas equation, which is PV is equal to nRT. Okay, so ang hinahanap natin ngayon is yung volume ng ating O2, which is equal to nRT over P. So given naman na lahat ng ating values dito, no? So yung number of moles ng O2 is this one, which is 0.853 moles multiplied to the ideal gas constant, which is 0.08206 liter atmosphere per mole Kelvin. Then multiplied to the temperature. So ano yung temperature ng ating oxygen here, which is 298 Kelvin. So 298 Kelvin over our pressure, which is 1 atmosphere. Okay, so makakancel yung ating mga units dito, no? So we have mole will be cancelled, Kelvin will be cancelled, and atmosphere will be cancelled. So ang maiiwan is yung ating liters, which will be for the volume of our O2. Okay, so volume of our O2 will be equal to, let's use again our calculator. So we have 0.853 times 0.08206 times 298. Okay, so divided by 1. So this will be equal to 20.86. So 20.86 liters. So this is our final answer. 20.86. Okay, so tingnan natin sa mga choices natin. 20.86. So ang pinakamalapit natin is itong letter C, which is 21 liters.